Hey, Dean McGillivray right here with Black Box Fitness. How I started with team handball. I emailed the coach looking for resources in order to teach team handball to my students for physical education. When I emailed the coach, he wrote back saying, hey, if you want to learn about the game, we've got a tryout coming up in January. You can spend the weekend here, you can come play, come learn the game, and it'd be a good resource for you. So out on a whim, I flew out to Auburn, Alabama to check out the tryout for the USA team, not intending anything to happen. Went to play, had fun, got to hang out with a bunch of really cool girls that are on the national team, and by the end of the weekend, the head coach said, we want you on the national team. So right away, I jumped on that boat, which means on July 1st, I have to move to Auburn, Alabama to train full-time to get ready for 2016 Olympics in Rio. What Black Box has done for me, it's changed my athletic ability completely. I played rugby for 10 years, 6 of which on the USA national team, 6 of which also on the semi-pro team. And whether I'm just playing for the club level here in town or playing up at the national level, it just changed my game completely dynamically. I went from one of the ball handling skill players to ended up being one of the most powerful players. When I was squatting, it went up. I ended up having a 5-rep max more than all the other players, so they had to keep constantly changing my position due to my changes that I was developing from training with Black Box Fitness. It made me more dynamic in the sense that I can move my body and move other bodies pretty efficiently. Changed up my pull-up abilities, the ability for me to move myself, the ability to move other things, especially Olympic weightlifting, such as cleans, transferred completely to the game in order for me to develop more power, more strength. Starting June 28th, we have a fundraiser coming up at 9 a.m. It's to benefit the box and to benefit myself to get ready for 2016 Olympics. The money's going towards helping me with cost of living, travel. Even though that it's the #1 sport in the world, it's not popular here in America, which means that we don't have sponsors. So some of that funding is going to help me make it on my way to the 2016 Olympics. I love this gym. This gym has done so much for me, and I love to give back to it, and it's just benefited me and other people so much.
Black Box Fitness, scene 1, take 1. Take 2, what's your ears? Take 3, what's your ears?
It's gonna do something funnier.
No, you shut up.